Hello friends, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. In this video, we are going to see the atomic structure of potassium atom. Symbol of potassium is K. Its atomic number is 19. In this atom, 19 electrons are present. Out of 19 electrons, the first 2 electrons are present in the K shell. The next 8 electrons are in the L shell. The next 8 electrons are present in the M shell. The rest of the 1 electron is present in the N shell. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 1. Its atomic orbital configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. We know that nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. In this atom, 19 protons and 20 neutrons are present. Using this number of protons and neutrons, we can calculate mass number of potassium. So sum of protons and neutrons is known as mass number of that atom. So mass number of potassium is equal to 19 plus 20 equal to 39.